Today we're about to install, as you see, my Tesla screen. I'm gonna upgrade from the stock one because I was tired of using my phone to look at the GPS. I only got it because of GPS, because the GPS could be on the screen and shit instead of typing it like the OEM ones. That's why I got it. But other than that, I don't know. We'll see other people. I don't know too much about these. I did my little research, but I got the Work 12 one. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. This is my first time doing this. It's plug and play, so it should be easier instead of wiring it. Let's get it. All right, so let's open this box. I already opened it because you already know. I had to get the face done because I'm not trying to have that face like everybody else with the black. You know, I had to do my own. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they give you all this paper, then it's decal. I guess it's the pin number to put in. And this is my screen right here. I ain't getting nothing crazy, you know. It's, you know, little something. I mean, you know, usually come in black, but got mine in red carbon. Okay, they gave you a pry tool. And all these connectors. Mine has Navi, so let's put this in. But anyways, yeah, this is the last time you're gonna see this screen right here. All right. Also, if you have an iPod, I have an iPod that plays here. It's not gonna work anymore. It's gonna stop working. Okay, so everything gonna be in that screen. All right. Let's take these off. All it needs a flat head and a screwdriver. If you have stick, this whole thing comes out. This is the whole thing's together. Okay, so let's take that off. Alright, so I'm gonna have to spin this off, take everything off. Let's take this, oh, you could just put this on. Nah, let's take it off. Let's have more space. No stressing. Put that somewhere, don't get scratched. This thing comes off. There's some plugs behind there. Don't forget there's plugs. Take those off. If you have that. I have that for my LEDs in the front. And there's a connector back here. Okay, so I just put it to the side right here. It's not too much in the way, but it's just right here. Alright, so I think the screen is gonna be like this. Like this, it stops here. Now let's remove these screws, like I said. 1, 2, and if you want to remove that in the back, 2. Those are 4 there. There's 2 back there. If you want to take them out now or later, don't matter. But I'm taking out these 2 right now. Take these off. Okay, that's somewhere safe so you can get it back. Now you gotta do a lift up on this and push down. There's some connectors back there. Right here. Here. Right here. Okay, so if you want, you could just leave the screen on with this last connector on there and just take out these 2 bolts and remove the whole screen and this together if you want. But I'm not gonna do that for the video to make it easier for y'all, so let's take this off. Alrighty, that's the face right here. Put that over there. Alright, and you gotta take off these screws here. Also, we're going to reuse the vents that's inside here and connect it on the screen. That's the screen. Get this off. Also, if you have a CD in here, I think I have one in there. If you want, you could take it out because this is not going to be here anymore. You're going to need this. You know, I know you're going to take that and just tuck it to the side back there because that's for your AC and stuff. Anyways, take this out like this. Push it up on it, like there you go. This is it right here. Put this somewhere. You're going to need the vents later. For now, let's worry about this. Now, we gotta take off this screen. 2 bolts. Okay, don't yank this out because there's two plugs behind here. Not trying to mess this up, okay? There's this one right here, right there. This one over here. Let's take those off. Easy peasy. That one was easy peasy. All right. Alrighty. Put that to the side. Okay, so if you take out these bolts yet, like me, take out these, and you're gonna remove this. Okay, now let's pull this out. Be careful. There's mad wires back there. If you took this out before, and you know, there's mad wires back there. Let's pull this out. Forward. Okay, so for this, let's just not touch nothing on there. Let's not touch no connector on there because there's two connections on here. Now you're not trying to confuse yourself with the wiring because you don't need to touch this. But it's a Torx here. I think is a T27. Looks like. Let me see. Anyways, you're gonna take those two off and basically tuck it inside. It's a T20. Okay, so let's take the T20 and just unscrew it off. Okay. Let's take this off and just tuck it somewhere. Whatever you want to call this. Here, you have to push it in and basically push it back. Both sides. It might pop back in, but you have to keep pushing it. And there it is. Alright, tuck that in somewhere back there. And we're just gonna work with the connectors that's here. Behind this. Okay. Tuck that somewhere back there. I'm gonna remove all these that's back here. All those. Take them off. Okay. Let's take this out the way. See that you can put it, maybe you can put it down here, maybe. Nah, it's too obvious. Let's put that shit, maybe, let's put it right here. Shit, put that shit right here. Does shit fit? Can that shit fit back there? I think it'll fit back there. Can it? I'm gonna try and see if I can fit it back here. If not, maybe tuck it here somewhere. I'll find somewhere to put it. Maybe back here it'll be better. It looks like it'll fit here. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Maybe it'd be better if it was up more, but whatever. It's right there. It's not gonna go anywhere unless you want to zip tie it here. It's not going anywhere. Should be alright. Okay, now you gotta worry about these connectors now. Right here, all these. Okay, worry about all these. Okay, let's grab the connections and try to put these together. Okay, so to be honest, I don't know what the hell I'm looking at, to be honest. Cause I remember I did one before and it said the years on the cable. This thing don't say nothing. Guess this is mean 08 to 15. Shit. Huh. Yeah, so I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. So I'm gonna try to like, you know, try to match stuff together. See how that goes. But this one look like it's for the main the radio. You see? Plug it to the back. And I guess these are here. You have to use. Huh. All these shits are in Chinese, so I don't even know what the hell I'm looking at. Oh, this look like it's for something. This one. The purple and pink wire. It looks like it goes here. It matches with this. Yeah. Okay, so this looks like is the one we're gonna need. It's for the Navi. Cause I remember on the when I ordered it, I put Navi. I guess they put these together and to tell me like this is what I'm supposed to use. Maybe these This one I'm gonna need because I see I'm writing this one. So I'm gonna need this. And guess I don't need these. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. We'll find out. Because I don't see anything. It's probably for the automatics. I mean, for the non-Navi or backup camera. This is camera right here, though. Huh. Alright. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Because I don't know what this connects to. Huh. Maybe it's connected to here. To this. Huh. Alright. So, I'm going to try to put this together. I don't know how to explain to y'all, but I don't know if this is going to be helpful, but you might have to call them to make sure you put it together. But me, I'm going to see if I could do it, and y'all could just copy it. Yeah, like I was saying, basically, I guess they tie this up because this is what we're supposed to use. I'm just guessing. Well, anyways, this other one that connected to this. I'm thinking this goes to it too. I put a check mark on it. I'm guessing it plugs into this. Okay, and this goes towards the inside. Okay. With this CAN base, like I said, it ties something here to. I'm guessing this is what they want us to use. But anyways, I see this plugs into this CAN base block thingy. And there's a small side, there's a bigger side. So the bigger side, it plugs into this. I see it matched up. Okay, so I guess this is for it, and this is for the back of the radio of the screen. This is for the back of the screen. It looks like, and this is for the rest of the inside. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, see, it's pretty much. I'm just plugging everything in, man. That's how I'm seeing it. Anything that match with each other, I just plug it in. That's how I'm doing it. Okay, so before you put everything back, make sure you plug everything. This is for the radio. You put it on the radio, make sure everything works before you put it on here solid. For the cable that has the brown, where is it? This one right here. It says brown, it says back on it. You're gonna connect it with this thing right here with all these on it. Let's call these RCAs, whatever. You put that. You put this together with the back. You see both of them says back on it. So we're gonna put those. We're gonna cut it up, wire it, tape it up, and leave it like that. So most of these are like optional. Like if you try to connect your phone, like put internet and shit on your radio. This is a SIM card tray. If you want to put it inside the glove box, you could. If you're using the USB, you can put it inside the glove box. Most people don't even use these stuff. I'm gonna put the USB though, just in case I want to put music in there or a new background or whatever. I can transfer files on there. So I'm gonna use this, definitely. So I'm gonna put that in the glove box. This I don't need. I'm not gonna use this as a phone. Stay in my car all day. No. Anyways, yeah, let's put this in the glove box. You can put it through here. Open the glove box, and you should feel it in there. Okay. Okay. Also, if you want to use the GPSs too, I put one here and I put one up here. You see that? Now, basically, is get the screen and try to connect these together. See my USB in there, and this is the wire you need to connect to the radio. Okay. If you're connecting the USB, this will be the plug to connect it. It's this thing is on it. This white thing. You connect it to it, and you have a little extension here that goes to your USB. Okay, let's tuck this in somewhere. Just put it back there. Okay, hopefully you don't go back there because there's gonna be a lot of mess in there. I'm basically matching everything all together and plug it behind here. Okay, everything that I see that goes here, gonna go here. So if you plug in the GPS, that's a little block that goes here. Right there, it says GPS on there. It's 4G, that big block that's up there. 4G is right there. And yeah, your antenna that goes here, the Wi-Fi. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm just match everything else, make sure everything works, then try to power it on. This is it right here. After I just gotta put this back. And yeah, because when you turn it on, like I said, I don't know nothing about this yet. So this is how it is. Okay, so I can't even tell you what to do because I don't even know what I'm looking at until I just play with it a little bit. But the AC works and everything, and yeah, it looks good. You see, as you see, tight on there. I'm gonna put everything back, play with the screen a little bit, adjust my settings. That's it, man. That's it. Okay, so as you see, it's a big difference between the screens. This one's a little more advanced. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, so if I helped you out, give me a like, and subscribe. Later.